Today we'd like to talk about Werkmaster's new patent-pending Plug N Go system. This is a unique development for us. It's going to revolutionize how floors are polished or ground. The advantages of the Plug N Go system is it allows you to follow a wavy floor, or using the Werkmaster indexing feature, it will allow you to flatten the floor.
What we're starting with here is our UltraFlex drive plate. The reason we call it UltraFlex is the ability of the rubber bumpers and grommets to flex while the tool is following the floor. So we have our standard 2-pin system, which provides a positive drive for the shear pins. And when we take our new Plug N Go plate, if you'll notice on the Plug N Go plate, there's 3 holes here that these correspond to the rubber bumpers on the UltraFlex drive plate. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the pins and insert them into the UltraFlex drive in the flex position. And what this does is this allows you to follow a wavy floor. And what you'll notice is that the rubber bumpers, if you look closely, you'll see the little 1/2-inch bumpers going through the holes here. This allows the plate to flex, as you can see, quite a bit. Okay, so that gives you the wavy floors.
The advantages are, with the UltraFlex system now, is that we can eliminate tool marks, we'll eliminate ghosting, we'll eliminate tracking, especially on extra hard floors, because the tool has the ability now to follow the concrete.
Now we also have an indexing feature, which you'll note the 3 holes with the little black rubber grommets. You can see them through the holes. If you turn the plate 180 degrees, what you now have is a rigid system. You'll note that the rubber grommets are no longer inserted in the holes. We pull that plate out and we turn it 180 degrees. Now you'll notice that the holes are clear, the rubber bumpers don't line up. They're now behind the plate here, and this gives you a nice flat rigid cut. And this allows you to cut for example, a stone floor very flat, or any concrete or terrazzo floor very flat. If you need to follow the floor, perhaps you're just doing a cream or a salt and pepper polish, you pull that out again, turn it 180 degrees, and you're now back to our UltraFlex system. Okay, so now what I'd like to demonstrate is the Plug N Go segment being inserted into the Plug N Go plate. The pins provide the shear strength needed and the torque, and what we have to retain the Plug N Go segment are some pretty powerful magnets. They're inset into the plate. You'll notice that there's 6 of them. This allows you to put 6 segments, or up to 6 segments, onto the plate. You would want to run with a minimum of 3 to provide proper support to the Plug N Go plate and the tools on the floor. So all we do then is we take that, line up the 2 pinholes, and plug it in, just like that.
And they install like that. That's simple. When we want to remove them, we just grab a screwdriver, a flat-headed screwdriver, insert it, and there we go. You'll notice 3 holes on the Plug N Go plate, and in my right hand I'm holding a standard tooling. The 3 holes correspond to the 3 holes on the plate. So this allows you to utilize standard tooling, industry standard tooling, as well as our Plug N Go tooling. No other system in the world today allows you to follow a floor or flatten a floor. Only Werkmaster's revolutionary new Plug N Go system.
Plug and go.